Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that is essential for everyone, no matter what your profession or lifestyle is. We'll be talking about time management. What is time management? Time management is the process of planning and organizing how much time you spend on various activities. It is the ability to use your time effectively and efficiently to achieve your goals and objectives. Why is time management important? Time is a limited resource, and we cannot get more of it. Therefore, we must use it wisely. Effective time management helps us to be more productive, reduce stress, accomplish our goals, have a better work-life balance. Here are some tips for effective time management. Prioritize your tasks. Make a list of tasks and prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. Focus on the tasks that are most important and need to be done first. Set realistic goals. Set goals that are achievable and realistic. Avoid setting goals that are too ambitious and unrealistic, as it can lead to frustration and demotivation. Manage your distractions. Identify the things that distract you and remove them from your work environment. This will help you stay focused and avoid wasting time on unnecessary tasks. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks can help you stay focused and energized. It can also help you to avoid burnout and reduce stress. Learn to say no. Sometimes, it's okay to say no to tasks that are not important or urgent. Learn to prioritize your time and focus on tasks that matter the most. Conclusion. Time management is an essential skill that can help you achieve your goals and live a more fulfilling life. By following these tips, you can manage your time effectively and efficiently. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.